In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a chart that displays a column graph with an increase in sales year over year. And now this increase in sales option can be used to show any kind of increase on any kind of numbers that you're putting into a column chart. So here we go. I've created a sample graph with columns and numbers showing both the values of the columns and the increase year over year. So you can see that on the screen. So what I'm going to do is walk through the creation of this simple column chart. And I'm going to start with this data here, which is just the data. And what I've done is put in the sales data from 2018 to 2022, but I've also put in a row saying the increase year over year. So the first year will be 0, but the second year will be C3, so the sales for the second year in 2019 minus B3, which is the sales for 2018, divided by B3 to get the percentage increase from 2018 to 2019. And then what I did is I just took that and I auto-filled that over so that I've got the respective formula for every column there for the percentage increase year over year. And then I took these three rows of data, and I did a simple insert, and I want a column chart, but I want the one with the columns that are overlapping. And you will see that it shows both the values, the dollar values, and then that little orange part is the sales increase. So what I'm going to do is take that, and I want to show the value there. So I'm going to add data labels there, and you'll notice it just added those data labels. It's difficult to see these percentage numbers where they are located right now. So I'm going to move those over. I'm just going to click on them within the chart and drag it over here. And again, with this one, drag it over here. And again, for 2021 and for 2022. I just want to get that little crossbar thing before I drag it. Okay, so we have some options here with this number. We can change format data labels over here. We can have the value, we can show the leader lines or hide the leader lines. So I'm going to hide them because I'm just showing the increase between each bar. I'm going to show the series name, which is increase, and let me just select these other ones here. I'll just show the series name, series name, series name. I'm going to change the separator from a comma to a new line, so it actually just shows increase and the percentage increase underneath. And I'm going to get rid of that little orange bar that shows the percentage because we don't need that. We just wanted to use it to get the data values and the labels for the chart. So I'm going to go there, I'm going to right click, I'm going to say fill, no fill. So that makes it disappear. I don't need this increase label legend at the bottom, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to change the chart title to sales history and get rid of this 0 data label. We need the values for the actual columns, the dollar values. So let's add data labels there. That's not very visible, so I'm going to right click after I select it again. I'm going to change the fill to something that makes those values show up. So that's pretty good. So that's how we get a chart that shows the increase each year. We have to have a row in our table with the increase numbers, and then we use those increase numbers to add labels to our chart. Thank you.